Welcome back to Berdu channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a mega menu navigation bar on your website. With this feature, you can create multiple categories in your navigation bar, and when a specific category is hovered over, visitors can instantly see a large drop-down menu displaying more submenus or subcategories. This navigation can greatly enhance the user experience on your website. It not only improves usability, but also increases the likelihood of visitors finding the information or services they are looking for, thus enhancing overall engagement and satisfaction. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu channel for more tutorials, hit the like button below, and also turn on the notification bell. Okay, first, let's go to your website's dashboard on Berdu, then go to Layout. You can add this mega menu to the homepage of your website or to additional pages as well. If you want to know how to build a website like this from scratch, you can check out the video in the description below. Now, click the settings icon of the navigation menu. Add a new section. Here, we have the mega menu section and content menu. We'll discuss content menu in another video. Please check the link in the description if you're interested. Let's try with the mega menu section first. Here, the menu appears in the navigation section. When we hover over it, several default submenus appear below. These are the submenus we'll edit later. Before editing, there's an option to preview content. It allows you to see this section permanently without hovering over the menu. It makes editing the content easier. Now click the Settings button for Title A. 3 default sections appear: Title, Link 1, and Link 2. There's also a slider for width. It adjusts the spacing between titles, so if you have many submenus, you can adjust it here to make it look neater. First, let's edit the title section. For example, I'll change it to Travel Package. Okay, let's continue by clicking on Settings for Link 1. Let's change the text to, for example, Group Tours. Here, there's an option, Only Show When. It allows you to set whether this link should be shown when website visitors are logged in, not logged in, or always show. If you want, you can also add an icon alongside the link by clicking the search button to choose an icon from the Berdu library, or click Upload to add your own icon. Now let's move to the link section. The link function is to set where this submenu will be directed. Since I want to direct it to an additional page, I'll choose the local page, then link to the custom page and select which page you want to target. I've already prepared additional pages for this, including Group Tours, Couple, and Holiday. You can also set whether this link should open in a new tab or remain in the same tab when clicked. Once done, click Done. Okay, the first link is ready. Now let's edit the second, third, and so on. The process is the same as before. You just need to adjust the text name and the target link. For example, I'll make it like this. The first menu is done. Next, you can edit the second menu and so on according to your needs. These are some examples of menus that I've created and set the target links for. Here, you can also change the design. There are several template design options you can use, starting from Frosty, Candy, Ocean, and others. Please choose the one that suits your website. You can still customize these design templates. Go to the Design tab. Here, I'll change the text color of the links and titles to white for clarity. You can also change the font type and size. And for hover text and background hover, you can adjust them too. You can also add a border if you want. Now let's move to the container. Here, you can adjust the appearance of the container menu, such as width, shadow, border, radius, and so on. You can follow the settings I'm demonstrating, or feel free to explore yourself. Then, you can also change the background type. You can choose from color, image, gradient, and pattern. Please choose the one that fits your website theme. Lastly, to enhance the appearance, you can also add animations when the menu appears. Here, there are options for container animation and link animation. So, you can choose which part you want to animate. It can be only the container, only the link, or both. For example, let's choose the container only. It will look like this. Let's try replaying it. Now the container and text will be animated and appear simultaneously. If we animate only the link, it will look like this. Only the link text inside the submenu is animated. So, you can decide which one is more suitable for your website, whether it's just the container, just the link, or both. You can adjust the animation duration, trigger, and other settings as you like. For example, I'll set it like this. Now click Done. Done. Save. Let's view the page. So here's the drop-down mega menu bar we've just created. When we hover over the menu, the submenus will unfold. If we click on one of the links, for example, Popular, it will be directed to the additional page, Popular Destination. If we try clicking on another, all right, the link has been successfully directed to the custom page that we have previously set up. Then, if we preview it from mobile, it will look like this. The submenu will appear on the right side of the page when clicked or tapped. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. Like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu.id channel to get more tutorial videos. Also, don't forget to follow Berdu's social media accounts for more interesting content. See you later.